हम बालक नाता तुम्हें शीश नवाते हैं, जोड़ कर नन्हे हाथों को तेरी
This one.
जय बुलाते हैं।
This one.
I am very happy because mom has brought home a new baby. The new baby is very small. I cannot pick it up all. Be myself. Grandma has to help me. The new baby has very soft.
Very good, huh? Shall I select you or not select you?
Select.
Why?
I'm select.
But why I should select you? Are you reading nicely?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
What is the roll number in the class?
42.
40?
2.
43.
Yes.
You are the topper. Huh?
Yes.
You are topper or your position is second or third?
3.
Third. Okay. And how you will get 2-star badge then? What you will have to do?
Reading.
No, reading is done. Then you'll have to prepare a speech and Hindi poem. You can do that? Huh?
Yes.
What kind of speech you want to give? Hindi poem, you remember any Hindi poem? Tell me. सुनाओ हिंदी पोएम सुनाओ इंग्लिश पोएम याद है क्या याद है कुछ भी नहीं याद है तो हाउ डू आई सेलेक्ट यू ओके रीड इट वंस मोर लाउडली
I am very happy because mom has brought home a new baby. The new baby is very
okay I am selecting you for this now if you want to get second star badge you'll have to remember one speech and one Hindi poem then you'll have to tell me in Kalam Hall right can you do that pakka chalo okay you are selected huh well done go back